Hi, I'm Diana of Crooked Little Studio with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how different paints behave over the same base color. So let's get started. Okay, I have started off by printing half the page with raw sienna, and I'm going to print 3 different colors, just swatches over the top of this so that you can see how they behave over this particular color. So I'm going to be using cerulean blue, medium magenta, and transparent red. Here's the cerulean blue. I don't want a lot. I don't want the cover, excuse me, I don't want the colors to overlap. So I'm just going to spread this out. All right. There's the blue. The medium magenta is next. And the transparent red is last. All right. So now we can compare what the color looks like straight out of the tube on white paper with what it might look like over another color. This is a middle value color, that's why I chose it. But let's just kind of take a look here. How about that? Okay, so obviously lighter. So you've got different behaviors of these paints. The tip is to not only be aware of the color that you're using, but what it's going to look like on top of other colors. Play around with this, experiment. Your colors may very well surprise you.